How do you multiply several negative factors? You've learned that one negative factor yields a negative product, and that two negative factors yields a positive product. What happens if you have more than two negative factors? Let's take a closer look at an example. Given -2 times -3 times -1, remember to put parentheses around non-leading negative numbers. Also remember, you may choose which two factors you want to multiply first. You can start by finding -2 times -3. This has two negative factors, and minus times minus is plus, so -2 times -3 is 6. That leaves you with 6 times -1. That product has one negative factor, which you've learned gives you a negative product. 6 times -1 is -6. So -2 times -3 times -1 is -6. 3 negative factors result in a negative product. What about 4 negative factors? -3 times -1 times -4 times -2. You can multiply pairs of factors with each other. -3 times -1 is positive since both factors are negative. The answer is 3. -4 times -2 is also positive since both factors are negative. The answer is 8. That leaves you with 3 times 8, which is 24. As both factors are positive, so is the answer. 4 negative factors have given you a positive product. There seems to be a pattern here, based on whether the amount of minuses is odd or even. If there was an odd amount, 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on, of minuses, the product will always be negative. If there's an even amount, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc., of minuses, the product is always positive. An odd amount of negative factors yields a negative product. An even amount of negative factors yields a positive product.